We're reading for the sign of Cancer. All that I need to know for the month of April. So let's start. First 3 cards for you, then for your person, and then we'll move to your connection. So let's start with you. What's happening with Cancer? Magician card. You guys are trying to manifest good things in your life, positive things, trying to manifest more finances, more opportunities, trying to be very optimistic about your life altogether. Trying to see the bigger picture, only seeing the good in things that are coming forward. So I see you wanting to be very positive throughout the month. Okay, what else is happening? Cancer's life currently. With 3 of Wands, some of you could be waiting for an opportunity. This could be about moving out to another place. It could be country, state, whatever. But you guys are waiting for an answer or a call. Okay, some of you guys are very much holding on and waiting for something to approach you. Okay, this could be a person, it could be a message, it could be regarding your work life. One more card. What's happening in Cancer's life currently? With 2 of Swords, right now you guys might not be having clarity regarding where your connection is going or relationship is going. Many of you guys are not wanting to stay bothered as well. You guys are wanting to just go with the flow. Okay, yes, you might still be wanting to wait for this person's answer, but that is not clearly bothering you enough. Okay, you guys are fine, but you guys are not really wanting to focus much on that. Okay, in terms of your person, what's going on with them? Cancer person, what's going on with them? With 9 of Wands, the person you are dealing with could be going through a lot right now. Okay, they have too much on their plate and they could not be, responding to you or messaging you much. Okay, this person is going through their own sorts of issues and problems. Okay, and this person is a bit in that self-sabotaging mode where they are very much in that self-pity, where they feel they are going through too much lately for them to even think of something like a love relationship. Okay, what else is happening in your person's life? Cancer soulmate. The Devil card, this person could be in another connection, doesn't have to be, or if it's not a connection, then their addictions, this could be drugs, alcohol, sex, whatever, is very much affecting them. That is the reason why they are not being able to give into this relationship with you. If it's not addictions, it could be another person, like a third party or a toxic partner, but they feel blocked. They want to make a move towards you, but they feel blocked. They are unable to make a move. They feel like they are not able to come towards you. Okay, in terms of how do they think about you now? How do they think about you now? With the Ace of Wands, they still have a lot of passion for you. This is a lot of sexual energy I see here. The Devil, Ace of Wands, that tells me that this person was sexually very much into you. You guys could have had a powerful, passionate connection. Okay, it could have started based on sex, but things slowly moved towards more than just the physical intimacy. Okay, one card for what are their current feelings towards you? What are their current feelings towards you? With Page of Swords, I do not see this person expressing their feelings much. They were rather very silent. Some of you could be dealing with someone who was a bit younger. Doesn't have to be, but for some of you, it could be that your person was a bit younger. If it's not by age, they were a bit immature. Okay, like never behaved mature. Okay, one card for what do they truly have for you in their heart space? With High Priestess, this person has never really expressed their feelings. They do feel a connection. They don't know exactly what it is, but they do feel connected to you. They do feel this bond, tie, and they're unable to walk away from you. Even if there is no communication happening, they keep thinking about you. Okay, and sometimes they keep daydreaming about this connection. They do feel connected, and sometimes even if you are not approaching them or you are not open to them, they do think of you. They do stalk your social media, so they are keeping a tab on you very much. Okay, one card for what's going on in their head space right now regarding this connection. In terms of their hate space, they might feel like right now is not the right time for them to approach you or to put in efforts, because right now, like a lot of other things need their attention or need their time more than this. Okay, and they might not feel like right now is the time for them to approach you. What are they wanting to offer you right now, or what can they offer you right now? Right now, if this person has taken your finances or like taken some financial help from you, then this person might be wanting to return that. Okay, if this person suddenly blocked you out of nowhere, then they might unblock you. If they've been not giving you attention, then they might start giving you attention. That is all they can offer. They cannot offer you much. They do not have much to offer, to be honest. Okay, for now, where do we see this connection going? For now, where do we see this connection going? For now, with the World card, darling, I still see separation between the two of you. Reason being, this person is overworked. Their personal life is a mess. Their family might need them. Doesn't have to be that they're married. You know, other things might be getting in the way. Their work life might be very, very messed up right now. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards you now? With Queen of Pentacles, they still care a lot about you. They still give you a lot of respect. They might never show that to you, but they do. They do think a lot about you. They are also very much attached to you. Top card we have is Ten of Swords. So if there was complete silence, if there was no communication, then you guys might get communication. But other than that, darling, I do not see lots happening. Okay, my readings are very raw, very straightforward. I don't really like to sugarcoat. Okay, so what action they want to take towards you now? What action they want to take towards you? In terms of action, just like I told you, that things are very dicey in their life. Things are very messed up. They cannot really give you 100%. Okay, so even if they approach you, it's going to be hot and cold. You know, they might message you and then they might hold back again. They might message you again and hold back again. So that might continue for a while. Okay, so one card for what's really blocking the connection, what's really getting in the way. I believe Five of Wands, other people or possible their work life, or if it's a third party, the third party. But other things are affecting this connection. Okay. So yes, one card for what do you need to know about this person? What does Cancer need to know about this person? With Four of Cups, this person is very unhappy in their life right now. They cannot really focus much on this connection. Reason being, they're so unhappy in their own life. Okay, when someone is unhappy, they cannot really think of something. They cannot really get into something. They cannot really start something. You know, they are a bit depressed, to be honest, and they are not telling you that. Okay, what do they want from you now? What do they truly want from you now? For some of you with Five of Swords, if you guys have been really making their life miserable by, you know, possibly taunting them or saying things that hurt them, then they might want you to stop that. Okay. Other than that, I do not see anything else. But yes, communication will definitely come in. Okay. What should you be knowing about this connection? Should Cancers be knowing about this connection? Separation, I had to walk away, so that could be in the past. Be patient, give them space, relax, trust. Last card we have is okay, so for some of you, this person is hot and cold. They may be hot and cold towards you, warning. So I believe this month they will message you, they will possibly reach out, but I do not see that going very smooth or very much, you know, moving forward in terms of commitment, because they are so messed up. This might not be everyone's story, but if it has, kindly hit the like button, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel. All those who want a personal reading with me, please reach out to my website, Book One for yourself. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.